Have you ever wondered how chatbots understand your questions? How your email inbox knows what's spam? Or how tools can summarize long documents in seconds? That's all thanks to natural language processing, or NLP. And in this video, I'll introduce the core NLP concepts and show you how to get started with NLP in Azure step by step. Let's start with the basics. Natural language processing is a field of AI that helps computers understand, interpret, and generate human language. Whenever a machine reads text, analyzes it, or responds in a way that feels human, that's NLP in action. Why is NLP such a big deal? Here are a few everyday examples. Search engines use NLP to understand what you actually mean when you type a question. Customer support chatbots use NLP to understand your issue and suggest answers. Sentiment analysis helps companies understand whether customers are happy or frustrated from reviews and social media. NLP also supports document summarization, which turns long reports into short, readable summaries. So if you work with text in any way, NLP can help extract insights and automate tasks. To work with language, computers first break text into smaller pieces called tokens. Tokenization is the process of splitting a sentence into words or subwords. For example, the sentence "Azure makes NLP easier" might become tokens like "Azure makes NLP easier." Next, those tokens are turned into numbers, so machines can work with them. One modern way is using embeddings, vector representations of words or sentences. You can think of embeddings as placing words in a high-dimensional space, where similar words are closer together. On top of these representations, we build NLP tasks. Some common ones are text classification, e.g., spam versus not spam. Next is sentiment analysis, helps identify if the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. After that, named entity recognition helps finding names of people, organizations, locations, dates in text. Next is summarization, turning long text into a shorter version, question answering, and chat, like virtual assistants. Historically, NLP used a lot of handcrafted rules. Today, most NLP uses machine learning and especially large language models. The good news is, with cloud platforms like Azure, you don't have to build these models from scratch. You can use powerful pre-built models through simple APIs. So where does Azure come in? Azure provides several services that make it easy to add NLP to your applications. Azure AI Language is for text analytics, sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, named entity recognition, and summarization. Azure OpenAI service gives you access to powerful large language models for chat, code, and advanced text generation. Azure Cognitive Search, now known as Azure AI Search, lets you build search experiences that understand text and can be combined with NLP. The big advantage is you focus on your data and your application, while Azure handles the heavy AI models and infrastructure. Now that you know the key NLP concepts, let's quickly walk through how to get started with NLP in Azure. We'll look at how to set up a basic Azure AI language resource and see what you can do with it. Step 1. Go to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're new to Azure, you can create a free account. Step 2. Create an Azure AI language resource. In the Azure portal, click on Create a Resource. Search for Language Service and select it. Choose your subscription, resource group, region, and give it a name. For example, NLP-demo-language. Then click Review plus Create, and finally, Create. Step 3. Once your resource is created, you can use the Language Studio, a web interface that lets you try NLP features without writing any code. Here, you'll see options like sentiment and opinion mining, key phrase extraction, language detection, and more. Let's run a quick sentiment analysis example. In Language Studio, choose Analyze Sentiment and Mine Opinions. Paste a sample sentence like, "The customer support was very helpful, but the delivery was slow." Click Run. You'll see the model classify parts of the text as positive or negative and give you confidence scores. If you're a developer, you can also call these NLP capabilities from your code using REST APIs or SDKs in languages like Python, CIs, or JavaScript. The idea is simple. You send text to the Azure AI Language API, and it returns structured insights like sentiment, key phrases, or entities. Let's quickly recap what we covered. Natural language processing helps computers understand and generate human language. We talked about core concepts like tokens, embeddings, and common tasks like sentiment analysis, text classification, NER, and summarization. We saw how Azure gives you powerful NLP capabilities through services like Azure AI Language and Azure OpenAI. If this introduction to natural language processing and NLP in Azure was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Drop your questions in the comments. Tell me what you want to build with NLP, and I'll do my best to cover it in upcoming videos.